بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
وأذن في الناس بالحج يأتوك رجالا وعلى كل ضامر يأتين من كل فج عميق.
And proclaim to the people the Hajj. They will come to you on foot and on every lean camel. They will come from every distant pass.
A brief guide to Hajj. There are three types of Hajj. Hajj Tamattu, which is performing the Umrah, then the Hajj. Hajj Ifrad, which is performing Hajj only. The Hajj Qiran, performing the Umrah and Hajj together. The rituals of Hajj. Ihram, making the intention, taking a bath, applying perfume, wearing the ihram cloth, and offer 2 rak'ahs prayers. The talbiyah. For Hajj Tamattu, one says, Labbaik Allahumma bi Umrah. Here I am, O Allah, for Umrah. For Hajj Qiran, one says, Labbaik Allahumma bi Hajjah wa Umrah. Here I am, O Allah, for Hajj and Umrah. For Hajj Ifrad, one says, Labbaik Allahumma Hajjan. Here I am, O Allah, for Hajj. Tawaf. Upon entering the Holy Mosque, the pilgrim should make tawaf and then prays 2 rak'ahs. The sa'i. In Hajj Tamattu, sa'i must be offered for Umrah, but in Hajj, Ifrad and Qiran, sa'i can be delayed. Then, the one performing Hajj Tamattu shaves his head or cuts the hair. By this, the Umrah is done, and thus he exits Ihram completely. On the 8th of Dhul Hijjah, the one doing Tamattu enters Ihram for Hajj, recites the Talbiyah, and says, Labbaik Allahumma Hajjan. Here I am, O Allah, for Hajj. To Mina. The pilgrim goes to Mina and prays Dhuhr, Asr, Maghrib, Isha, and Fajr there. To Arafat. By sunrise of the 9th day of Dhul Hijjah, the pilgrim moves to Arafah. Spending his time in making dhikr and dua. To Muzdalifah. When the sun sets, the pilgrim goes to Muzdalifah and stays overnight in it. Back to Mina. Before the sun rises, he goes to Mina where he stones Jamarat al-Aqaba, the sacrifice. On the 10th day of the Hijjah, the pilgrim slaughters his sacrificial animal and then shaves his head or cuts his hair. Now everything is permissible except having intercourse with one's wife. Back to Mecca. Then the pilgrim goes back to Mecca and does tawaf and sa'i for Hajj. After tawaf and sa'i, the pilgrim goes to Mina and stones the 3 jamarat during those 2 days. Then he exits Ihram completely. Farewell Tawaf. Upon leaving, one should not move out of Mecca until he has performed the farewell Tawaf. Visiting the Prophet's Mosque. it is highly recommended to visit the Prophet's Mosque in Medina.